In just 11 years, India has rewritten its defense story, no longer the world's largest importer, but now a serious global supplier. What began with self-reliance has evolved into global reassurance. From missile systems and naval platforms to joint command exercises, India is setting a new security benchmark. This is Shakti Bhi, Strategy Bhi, where strength inspires trust. India clocked 23,622 crore rupees in defense exports in FY25, a 34-fold increase since 2013 to 14. Over 100 countries now rely on India for radars, protective gear, drones, and battlefield tech. This isn't a national milestone, it's a strategic realignment in global supply chains. Akash Air Defense, shortlisted by Vietnam, Brazil, Armenia. Pinaka rockets, interest from Indonesia, Africa. BrahMos, operational in the Philippines, deals advancing with Argentina, Vietnam. Indian systems now anchor security doctrines abroad. India leads high-impact drills. Youth Abhyas with USA, Garuda with France, Indra with Russia, Surya Kiran with Nepal. These exercises drive tactical trust and interoperability. India is a preferred partner in preparedness. India is indispensable to global security. J.D. Vance, U.S. Vice President. Defense co-production with India is a strategic imperative. France. During Operation Sindoor, UK, Israel, France, Netherlands backed India's sovereign response to terror. India today is not a participant, it's a pillar. India has offered $200 million to modernize Angola's military, joined Europe's combat drone program, and launched space-based surveillance projects. It's not just exporting systems, it's exporting strategic stability. India's defense rise is rooted in purpose, refined through partnerships, and respected across continents. This is India's moment and world is affirming it.